Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 8th, 2025, and we're diving into ANI Pharmaceuticals' latest earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. ANI Pharmaceuticals has just released their second quarter 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record revenues to increased guidance for the year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. ANI Pharmaceuticals reported net revenues of $211.4 million for Q2 2025, marking a 53.1% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The growth is primarily driven by their rare disease segment, which saw a 111.3% increase in net revenues to $104 million. This includes significant contributions from Corfin and the newly acquired Iluvian and UTK products. Additionally, their generic segment also performed well, with a 22.1% increase in revenues.
And how about profitability?
ANI Pharmaceuticals delivered a record adjusted EBITDA of $54.1 million, up 62.8% from last year. Their adjusted EPS came in at 1.80 cents, significantly beating the analyst forecast of 1.02 cents. This reflects strong operational execution and cost management.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.02 based on a survey of 6 analysts. ANI Pharmaceuticals reported an adjusted EPS of 80 cents. What does this significant beat tell us?
This substantial beat indicates that ANI Pharmaceuticals is executing exceptionally well across its business units. The strong performance in their rare disease segment, particularly with Corfin Gel, and effective cost management have contributed to this outperformance. It also suggests that the market may have underestimated the company's growth potential and operational efficiencies.
Strategic initiatives and product performance. Let's delve into the strategic initiatives and product performance. Corfin Gel continues to be a standout performer. Can you elaborate on its impact?
Corfin Gel generated $81.6 million in revenue, a 66% increase year over year. The product has seen growth across all targeted therapeutic areas, including ophthalmology and pulmonology. The launch of a pre-filled syringe presentation has also driven demand, simplifying administration for patients.
And what about their other products, like Iluvian and UTK?
Iluvian and UTK contributed $22.3 million in revenue, aligning with company expectations. ANI has been proactive in enhancing their market presence through strategic marketing initiatives and expanding their sales team, which has helped capture meaningful revenue synergies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, ANI Pharmaceuticals has also improved its operational efficiencies. What are the highlights here?
The company reported a non-GAAP gross margin of 64.9%, up from 58.4% last year. This improvement is due to a favorable product mix towards rare disease products and the successful launch of prucalopride. Looking ahead, ANI has raised its 2025 guidance, expecting net revenues between $818 million and $843 million, and adjusted EPS between $6.98 and $7.35.
That's quite optimistic. What does this mean for their rare disease segment?
ANI anticipates that rare disease revenues will account for approximately 57% of total company revenues in the second half of 2025. This underscores their strategic focus on high-growth, high-margin areas, which bodes well for sustained profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, ANI Pharmaceuticals has delivered a stellar performance in Q2 2025 with record revenues and a significant EPS beat. The company's strategic focus on rare disease and operational efficiencies are driving growth. John, any final thoughts on ANI's investment prospects?
ANI Pharmaceuticals is well-positioned for continued growth, especially with its strong pipeline and focus on high-margin rare disease products. The raised guidance reflects management's confidence in sustaining this momentum. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ANI Pharmaceuticals' performance in the comments below.